In order to access your teacher sites, you will need to go to LaunchPoint, and on LaunchPoint, you will need to click on the Canvas icon. Once you click on the Canvas icon, you should see your dashboard, and you're going to go to the left and click Account, and from this section, you are going to click Profile. Now, in order to add a picture, you will have to add your picture in this portion. This is the section that shows up inside of Canvas where your students can see it once they're logged in. So if you will click on your picture, this is where you'll upload a picture. You can take one, and you will choose a picture and you'll save it here. And then down at the bottom, you have to make sure that you click Save Profile. It might take a day or two for eLearning to approve the picture, but once it's there, you're good to go. So once you've added a picture, you will need to click on Teacher Sites. Once you click on Teacher Sites, this takes you to the public-facing page that everybody can see when they go to the Teacher Sites website on Hall County Schools. You'll need to make sure your name is updated, that your email is correct, select your position, make sure your school is CHS, check the appropriate grade levels as well as department. The biography section is where we ask you to include just a general rundown of your education and any kind of club sponsors that you have and anything really that you would want to add here. Down here at the bottom, you have the files and resources. For each class that you teach, you will need to add a folder and you will name that by that particular class. So if I put American Literature, and I'm going to default it to the folder being open so people can see the inside, and I'll hit Save. That is now in my folder list. And so as I add items, I will click the Add Item, and I will select the type of item. So if I want to include an external URL that takes me directly to the DOE website and the standards, I will put in Georgia Standards of Excellence. I will go to English Language Arts, 9 through 12, and I will find the standards for American Lit. So I can open the standards and I will copy that URL. I will take it to the teacher site, and then I'm going to put external URL, paste it, and then I'm going to type in American Lit Standards and hit Save. And so now it's going to be here down in the bottom. So anything that I need added just for American Lit, so the curriculum maps, the standards, anything that you think is important for that course, your course syllabus can go here. And then once you finish, you'll need to hit the Submit button, and that will submit your changes there. All right. If you find that you need to delete something, if you click on the gear, you can delete or you can edit from there. And so I'm going to delete this. So once you submit again, and then you can go to the Hall County Teacher Sites page, which is teachersites.hallco.org. You can type in your name, and then you will see your page, so you can see if everything's updated. Like I said, it may take a little bit for your picture to load, but everything else you need will be there. Let me know if you guys have questions.